This is OPPO F23 and today I will show how you can easily bypass parental controls on this device. So first order of business is to launch settings. Then you gotta enter the Google category. Tap at the manage your Google account button, well, below the Google account itself. Next, open the Data and Privacy page, scroll it all the way down, and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, in order to continue, you will need to input the account password, so let me quickly do that off the screen. And then simply finish the account deletion procedure. Check those two boxes at the bottom, tap at the Delete Account button, and that will pretty much do it. So, let me just go ahead and see if the system already synchronized everything and acknowledge the changes. It did, so as you can see there is no Google account over here. And if I will open the list of parental controls, there will be none. So now I will quickly show how you can restore or recover the account so it will not be lost in case you need it further. It is a very simple thing to do. Basically, you just gotta sign into Google app. Any Google app will do with the said Google account. I usually use the Play Store for it. So start by inputting the email address. Then you should see the following message. After this message appears, follow it by entering the account password. More often than not, you will face the something went wrong error message. That's completely fine. All you gotta do is to re-enter your credentials or input them one more time. And the second time around, it allows you to go through, allows you to proceed with the sign-in. So now, from the fact, by the fact that you can sign into Google Play Store with this account, you can already tell that it has been successfully recovered. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.